Hey guys, what's up? It's Miles here. I'm doing a Nerf War video. I don't know. But I'm going to be showing you how to turn your Nerf Rival Apollo into a shotgun. You need all just out-of-the-box parts. And then I'm going to have a Nerf War with Lego Hulk. And recently, it took me a really long time to shoot him with my Centurion. It was terrible because I couldn't hit him from like 6 feet away. It was terrible. But yeah, let's get the video started. Hey guys, it's me again. And here's Hulk. And here's a Nerf gun. And hopefully I'm going to shoot him with my Nerf gun. I have like 4 or 5 other ones over there. But I'm going to shoot all of them over. And then if all else fails, then I'm going to use my Nerf Rival, and then I have a backup plan for that, but there's like no chance that I'm going to mess with the Nerf Rival. So I'm going to start off with, what is this one? I don't even remember. I don't even know if it has a name, but yeah, I'm going to start off with this one. Then I'm going to go from later on. And go. This is, the reason that I don't, these things are so inaccurate. Alright, next I have my Strife. See if I can hit him because the last one failed miserably. Come on. Nope, I'm out. Alrighty, next I have my my Retaliator. So well, I'm out. Alright guys, I'm tired of Hulk just staying there. It's not making me happy. So I'm gonna make sure he comes down, because this is my ultimate backup plan, is just annihilating him with megas. Sounds like Hollis is under the bed. I don't know why. Pinpoint accuracy. So pinpoint. Wow, I didn't even hit the table. Or I did, or something. Alrighty. I have my Centurion. His arch nemesis that took like, I don't know, 12 tries to hit him. So, let's go, Hulk. Come on, man. I'm out. Well, folks, I'm sorry, but we have to take a break from this presentation to show you how to turn your Nerf Rival Apollo into a shotgun. So right now I have my magazine, which is currently holding 2 rounds. I do not know if it'll work with more because I couldn't find any more, but you know, it'll do something, I know. So then you insert it, you prime it back, set it forward again. You can tell that there's only one left. So then all you gotta do is, there's a little button right here. You may have noticed it before. It's very strange and awkward and stuff like that. So you pull it down, you slide it back, push the priming handle forward again, and there you go. Now you will notice there are no balls or darts or ball darts or something. I don't know what they're called. Or I don't know. But then you can tell, there they are. It shoots 2 at a time. So there you go. That is how you do it. Well, I decided, since, well, all my other Nerf blasters didn't work, then I'm going to destroy him with my shotgun, which I still only have 2 rounds. But, you know, it works. So I will make it into a shotgun real quick. And ta-da! You're going down, boy! Alright, you're done. Well, guys, thanks for watching. This is not a Nerf product. It's just a Blitzball bad. But yeah, it is the MVP thing in this thing. These are the remains of Hulk. I've never heard of a Nerf blaster that will do this much damage, but yeah. Raleigh, what do you have to say about how much destruction Hulk got into?
Either Ultron or Thanos.
Doesn't matter. I got a bat. It's way better.
Ew.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.